everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial for this rainbow eyeshadow look. Just wanted to play with colors to lift my mood. This is my final look. Let's get started. I am going to start with my eye makeup. Whenever you are working with bright colors, it really helps to lay down a base. I am using L'Oreal concealer. It is a high coverage and matte effect. Now moving on to colors, I am using BH Cosmetic eye palette. I am using yellow, orange and hot pink shade. I am going to lay down these colors to the crease area with flat brush. Now moving on to blending part. With the help of blending brush, I am going to blend the crease area with baby pink color. Make sure all the colors are well blended with each other. Next, I am applying hot pink color to the lower lash area. Do the same step with other eye. It's time to apply liner on upper eyelid. Here I am creating a winged liner. Here I am taking kajal pencil and applying it on my waterline. Moving on to my favorite part, filling the brows. For the brows, I am using Kiko Brown filler in the shade Brown 05. It is a gel form, so it is a quite long lasting and waterproof. It stays throughout the day as well. Now I am filling gaps in my eyebrows. Now I am going to create my final look. This is my final look. If you want to know full makeup tutorial, visit to my previous video. Link is in the description box. Thank you. See you in the next video.